The 7.4 release has been focused on quality from the very beginning.
We get this kind of an idea of how people will use our software in our own heads, but when it comes down to it, we truly aren't the ones that use the software. One of the things that we did from last time around compared to the 7.4 release is something that we call a limited field trial.
There's no substitute for testing at scale in real-world situations with students and faculty at scale. As much as we try, we're never going to catch every bug. I think we struck the right balance here by setting aside as many resources as we have to clean up any issues that are going to remain after this LFT program.
The big difference right there is kicking the tires compared to actually using Angel in a real-life class.
And we've used that information to really enhance our change management kit and deliver enough information for our customers to really plan their rollout to 7.4 in the best way possible.
To really have confidence that every line of code that we write, every change that we make in the software is getting more than one set of eyes on it. And that we're spending time within the team to really learn from each other and improve our capabilities as a team as we go.
We also ran a lot more load tests than in previous cycles. We are up to about 500 load tests, and again, the ability to quickly adapt our scripts based on changes helped us in that area.
To the point where now every time we change a line of code, every time we check that in and build the software, we're running thousands of tests against the entire application to verify that that one change that we make didn't have a negative unintended consequence somewhere else in the system.
So even before any code is written, we're trying to think through what automated unit tests do we need to write to test this functionality adequately.
But really at the end of the day, the quality of the application is really about the experience that the end user has, and we want to do everything we can to exceed that user's expectations every time they touch the application.
We found a lot more things than we'd found in the past, so we had to churn all those things through the process. We're able to work with the developers more on a one-on-one basis when we found particularly sticky problems. Our customers who were providing us the feedback were live, so their scenarios were real-world scenarios, live courses. So we were able to get more details in a more timely manner. So for the first time ever, we were able to get probably about 75% of all the limited field trial feedback into our general release. Based on the quality of the feedback and the quantity of the feedback, I'm convinced that that's just going to make our release a higher quality release than we've ever had. 7.3 for our current cycle, we've only had one hot fix package that we've had to release to our customers. We don't want to release any, and we don't ever want to introduce the problems, but I know that we're making progress because the improvement's been so significant, and that's been all about the automation. It's worn some people out, it's made us tired because we've been in the cycle longer, but the bottom line is our release is going to be better. So I feel really good about the extension of the cycle.
It's been amazing. Over the last 12 months, we've quadrupled in use. The amount of users that we're seeing logging in daily and the peak load conditions that we had seen in years prior are now happening, multiple times per month. So the usage and our customers' ability to use the LMS has grown tremendously.
We put the time and the effort into the limited field trial, and we have customers that are actually using it in the field. We've had so much time to not just get the product ready, but to get all the associated things with it ready.
There's not anything big out there that we may have missed or we haven't come across that we're going to see for the first time in a ticket. We've been through both our internal training and in supporting customers. So we feel really confident that there's a lot of good experience on the support team already, months before general availability even came through. So I feel pretty good about it.
and being in a company that really cares about their customers and really works hard to get it right. And when we get it wrong, we work hard to get it fixed. That's really cool. I mean, I'm very proud of. I'm proud of everybody that works here. I think they're producing something that is pretty neat.